Corsair Dark Core Wireless Gaming Mouse. 3 ways to connect: Sub-1 ms Slipstream Wireless Technology, Low Latency Bluetooth Wireless Technology, or USB wired. Play with pinpoint accuracy and precision thanks to a custom native 18,000 dpi optical sensor, optimized for wireless mice with extremely low power consumption and customizable in 1 dpi resolution steps. Charges with an easy-to-use, reversible USB-C connector, or wirelessly with any Qi-compatible charging device such as the Corsair MM1000 mousepad. Comfortable contoured shape with 2 included interchangeable side grips for a tailored fit. 9-zone dynamic RGB backlighting, including an integrated light bar with 5 individually addressable RGB LEDs. Up to 50 hours of continuous battery-powered wireless gaming, or plug-in for wired mode to continue gameplay while charging. Powerful Corsair ICUE software lets you assign macros, adjust polling rate, customize RGB lighting effects synchronized across all of your IQ-compatible devices. Charge wirelessly with any Qi-compatible charging device such as the Corsair MM1000 mousepad. Comfortable contoured shape with 2 included interchangeable side grips. 9-zone dynamic RGB backlighting, including an integrated light bar with 4 individually addressable RGB LEDs. Hyperpolling technology communicates with your PC at up to 2000 Hz, twice the speed of standard gaming mice. EVGA X3 Gaming Mouse. EVGA brings you the world's first triple sensor mice with dual LOD sensors, paired with a PSU 3389 on the X3. Most gaming mice use the mouse's primary sensor or an additional LOD to detect the lift-off distance, while the EVGA X3 uses a more advanced 3-dimension array tech. This system uses a triple sensor algorithm to detect the position where you lift the mouse off a surface and put the mouse back down, achieving the shortest and most accurate lift-off distance. EVGA's 3-dimension array tech algorithm can detect within a minimum of 0.4 mm to a maximum of 3 mm from the mouse to the surface, dynamically adjusting the best power-off height. Customize the power-off height in different directions to achieve the most accurate gaming in the world with EVGA Unleash RGB software. X3 uses a USB 2.0 high-speed 32-bit ARM Cortex M33 core microprocessor, supporting a native 8 kHz report rate. 8 times the standard 1 kHz on competing gaming mice for faster response time and precise movements. Mechanical torsion springs preloaded with 10 grams of weight are installed on the mouse's left and right buttons to keep the travel distance to a minimum, allowing the buttons to be more sensitive and react more rapidly. 5 customizable onboard profiles with on-the-fly DPI settings allow you to take your mouse anywhere. Slick movement across any surface with mouse feet made from the purest, highest grade of PTFE. Full control and customization with EVGA Unleash RGB software. Customize button control and RGB lighting. Designed for FPS, the unique profile of the sniper button allows you to drop to the lowest DPI for higher precision and accuracy. Up to an additional 25 grams can be added to customize and fine-tune the weight and feel. Ludus Dominum Rechargeable Wireless Gaming Mouse. Type-C Fast Charging Port. The mouse uses the Type-C interface for quick charge, avoiding the trouble of slow charging. 2.4G stable wireless transmission more secure and precise, the transmission distance can reach to 10 meters. Virtually no delays or dropouts. No need any driver, just plug and play. Ultra energy saving and durable. There is a button at the bottom of the mouse with 3 adjustable modes, on, off, on, with backlight. The mouse will be in auto sleeping mode in 8 minutes of inactivity. Also it has 10,000,000 times keystroke test and perform well. Rechargeable function built-in 600 mAh lithium battery, you can charge it with our USB charge cable. Customized RGB LED light. The LED light color R7 RGB light mode which can bring you pleasure as a gamer. Comfortable to use. Optical wireless mouse comes with the ergonomics design, suitable for all kinds of the hand type and computer. Wireless rechargeable mouse, matte texture design. RGB illumination, multiple illumination modes. 4-gear DPI is adjustable, up to 8400 DPI. Suitable for game and office. Ergonomic design, comfortable hand feeling. Built-in larger 800 mAh lithium battery. It can be used for about 30 to 60 days once full recharged. Thanks to its lithium battery, you can even use the mouse when it is recharging. 3-level power saving mode. 3 seconds into the first sleep light flashing continuously. 1 minute or so to enter the secondary sleep, intermittent flashing lights. 8 minutes or so, go to level 3 sleep, the light goes out. Power saving mode. 1. When the RGB light of the mouse does not detect the USB receiver, the light will be automatically turned off after 20 seconds. 2. The mouse works normally. If it is not used within 15 minutes, the mouse will automatically enter the sleep mode, and the lantern will follow the sleep. Our mouse will be more energy saving and more durable. 7. Different LED light colors that change while in use, offering soothing ambient lighting, no changing colors automatically and not stay at one color. The LED cannot be programmed and it will change regularly with 7 colors. Reassuring LED lighting, more transparent light effect, suitable for demand for more types of games, makes your mouse multicolored and imagination cool colorful. Optical laser technology for precise control. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery charging uses the Type-C interface to quickly charge, avoiding the trouble of slow charging. There is no need to replace the battery. Razer Neon M62 gaming mouse. Ambidextrous comfort, right or left hand capable plus an ergonomic design for longer, more comfortable gaming sessions whether you're right-handed, left-handed, or prefer to switch it up. 12 RGB modes, equipped with dynamic RGB effects and 12 backlight modes to suit every game, mood, and occasion. 9 programmable buttons, customize 9 button controls for convenient access to commands in the grip of your hand, easily cast spells in seconds or execute combos with recorded macros, create a script of key presses and clicks programmed into one single mouse button without the need to reach over to your keyboard. 6 DPI levels, adjust your optimal sensitivity and pointer movement from 6 values, up to 10,000 DPI to deliver the ideal experience per game and activity. Precisions and design, symmetrical smooth shape and gaming-inspired features including textured grip and colors to match any setup. Designed with an ergonomic profile fit for all hand grip styles and perfect for FPS, MMO, RTS, and MOBA right or left-hand players. Whether you dominate right-handed gameplay, possess left-handed steady aim or prefer to switch it up during your battle sessions, this gaming mouse is ideal for more comfortable victories and less resting time. Equipped with dynamic RGB effects and 12 backlight modes to match every computer setup, game, mood, and occasion. Experience 3 zones of illumination that will light up your path to victory, featuring a sleek shape and textured grip accents for a steady hold on your gaming. Engineered with an advanced gaming sensor for impeccable precision. Instantly adjust mouse sensitivity and select your optimal DPI level from 6 default values ranging from 800 to 10,000. For even more customization, use the included software to set your DPI starting from 200 up to 10,000. Dominate battlefields with high speed and accuracy. Featuring 9 programmable buttons, tailor commands for an edge over competitors and set any fire button of your choice. With easy macro recording, program a series of key presses and clicks into one single mouse button for instant combos or spell casting in seconds. Strike swiftly with convenient controls in the grip of your hand without reaching over to your keyboard. Play with precision and flair. SteelSeries Rival 600 Gaming Mouse. The Rival 600 introduces gamers to the world's most advanced dual sensor system. The TrueMove 3 optical sensor delivers true one-to-one tracking, while a dedicated optical depth sensor achieves gaming's slowest and most accurate lift-off distance detection. Plus, custom center of gravity tuning with 256 weight configurations makes the Rival 600 a must-have for competitive gaming. Exclusive TrueMove 3 12,000 CPI, 350 IPS optical 1-to-1 tracking eSports sensor. The world's lowest and most accurate lift-off distance. 256 center of gravity weight tuning configurations. Split trigger 60 million click mechanical switches. Revolutionary silicone side grips for increased grip and durability. 8-zone RGB illumination with Discord notifications. Save sensor settings, macros, and lighting effects on board. Adjust your lift-off distance like never before. Our secondary sensor allows for the ultimate customization of when the sensor stops and starts tracking when you lift the mouse. Never again have unnecessary movement when you pick up and put down your mouse. Experience incredibly accurate tracking from 100 to 12,000 CPI with no stability issues, no tracking errors, and no response time delays. Moving a specific distance on a mousepad results in the same exact distance on screen. Tune your center of gravity with 256 different weight combinations for the perfect balance of any grip or gameplay style. The removable sides allow easy and secure placement of the 8 included 4G weights. The left/right buttons feature a revolutionary reinforced split trigger system that delivers the best clicks in gaming. Our exclusive 60 million click mechanical switches ensure every type of press is executed with precision. Every aspect of the Rival 600 design meets players' stringent demands for comfort. Whether you deploy a claw grip or palm grip, the shape provides perfect comfort for long and intense gaming sessions. SteelSeries Engine software unlocks an impressive arsenal of engine apps that make customization of the 8-zone RGB lighting easy and intuitive. The Discord and GameSense engine apps allow for chat notifications, in-game events, and more.